Hello everybody. So in our previous lecture we have discussed logical operators, okay, and examples of logical operators. So let us revise this point. So as I said earlier, logical operators are used to connect more than one compound statement together, okay, and 6 different logical operators are given, that is not, and, or, XOR, if then, and if and only if. Okay, so before that we discuss what is compound proposition, and then we discuss, see here, this type of example, if and only if is a logical operator that we use to connect two different propositions together. Okay, now in this session we will just discuss truth table of every logical operation in detail. Okay, so first logical operation, as I said earlier, negation. Keyword we are using for that is not, and the symbol that we are using for denoting negation is this symbol, this one. Okay, or sometimes, see, in some book you may get a symbol for denoting negation like this as well. Okay, so either you can use this symbol or you can use this symbol as well. Okay, uh, so let us discuss the truth table of not. So it's very simple. So P, as I already said, as we have already discussed in our previous session, uh, P letter generally we use for denoting proposition. Okay, and proposition means its true value will be its value will be either true or false. So if the proposition value is true, then its negation will be what? Its negation will be false. Okay, and if the proposition value is false, then its negation will be true. Okay, so I think you may be quite familiar with this particular point. Okay, negation is very easy to understand. So the point that you have to remember is generally P letter we use for denoting proposition in discrete structure. It's not the case like only P we are using, P, Q, R, S. In fact, any letter we use for denoting proposition, and proposition means, as we all know, whose value will be either true or false. So if the proposition value is true, then its negation will be false, and if the proposition value is false, its negation will be true. Okay, so this is all about negation. Now we will discuss and. Okay, next logical connective, and. So and is also called as what? This point we already discussed, also called as conjunction. Okay, and it is denoted by using this symbol, see here it is mentioned. And generally, see, before that I just want to discuss one more point related with negation. Negation is a unary logical connective. Unary, UNARY, unary logical connective. Unary means what? Negation we can apply only on one proposition. So for negation we don't require more than one proposition. In case of negation, we can apply this negation only on one proposition. So that's why this is called as unary. But unlike that, conjunction is not unary. This is a binary logical connective. Binary means it will require minimum two propositions. Okay, so as I said earlier, and also called as conjunction, denoted by using this symbol. Okay, now truth table let us discuss. So here two different proposition we are taking. First one is P and second one is Q, and see here P and Q is denoted by using this symbol. So TTFF, I think you are quite familiar with this format. Okay, so how to elaborate this? If the value of P is 2 and if true, and if the value of Q is true, and if AND is applied, then its result will be what? Its result will be true. Okay, means if the value of both proposition is true, and if AND is applied, then output of that AND will be also true. Similarly, if P is T, that is true, and if Q is false, then P and Q will be false. If P is false and Q is true, then P and Q is false. If P is false, Q is also false, then P and Q is also false. So how to remember this? For P, see, initially you have to write for P, initially you have to write like 2 times T, 2 times F, okay, and for second proposition you have to write like alternate TF, TF, okay. And how to remember for AND? For in case of AND, if both are true, then output will be true, otherwise this is what? Otherwise this is false. What I said, how to remember truth table for AND? In case of AND, if both are true, then only output is true, otherwise in all other combination output is what? Output is false, okay. So I hope you are getting this point. The truth table of negation as well as AND. In case of negation, what I said, negation is a unary logical connective. Why unary logical connective? Because this will apply only on one proposition, and this is a truth table, okay. And is what? And is also called as conjunction, and it is a binary logical connective because this will apply on minimum 2 proposition, and if you are dealing with minimum 2 proposition, then you have to write this type of combination. For first one TTFF, for second one TF. And how to remember what I said? In case of AND, if both are true, then only output will be true, otherwise output will be false, okay. So I hope you are getting this point. The remaining truth table for remaining logical connectives we will discuss in our next session, okay. So that's all for this session. If you find any difficulty in understanding any point, then you can drop me a message on Google Classroom, either on Google Classroom or on WhatsApp, okay. So that's all for this session. Stay tuned for further updates. Thank you.